Calibrating frame stuttering in Call of Duty can enhance your gaming experience by ensuring smoother gameplay. Follow these steps to address and reduce stuttering issues. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your gaming system meets the minimum and recommended requirements for the game. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to confirm they are adequate for optimal performance. Step 2. Update drivers. Update your graphics card drivers to the latest version. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the newest drivers, as these updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Access the graphics options menu and reduce settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. This can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable background applications, enable game mode, and ensure that your power settings are set to high performance. This can free up resources for the game. Step 5. Monitor and manage temperatures. Check the temperatures of your CPU and GPU while gaming. Use monitoring software to ensure they are not overheating, as high temperatures can lead to throttling and stuttering. Clean your system and consider improving cooling if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce frame stuttering in Call of Duty and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.